Welcome to this in-depth exploration of ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we'll delve into what ChatGPT is, how it works, and why it's such a game-changing technology. So, let's get started. ChatGPT is a natural language processing model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text. Its name stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which refers to the transformer architecture it uses to generate text. The key to ChatGPT's power lies in its ability to generate text that's not only grammatically correct but also contextually relevant. This means that it can understand the nuances of language and generate responses that sound like they were written by a human. The technology behind ChatGPT is based on a technique called pre-training. During pre-training, the model is fed a large amount of text data from a wide variety of sources, such as books, articles, and websites. The model then uses this data to learn the patterns and structures of language. This process allows ChatGPT to understand the context in which a sentence is being used, as well as the meaning behind individual words. Once the pre-training is complete, the model can be fine-tuned to perform specific tasks. For example, it can be trained to generate answers to questions or to summarize long passages of text. ChatGPT has several practical applications. For example, it can be used in customer service to provide automated responses to common queries. It can also be used in education to help students improve their writing skills by providing feedback and suggestions on their work. Another area where ChatGPT is making an impact is in natural language generation. This involves using the model to create coherent and readable text from data. For example, it can be used to generate news articles or product descriptions. But what really sets ChatGPT apart from other language models is its ability to generate creative and engaging text. For example, it can generate poetry or short stories that are indistinguishable from those written by a human. This has led to a lot of excitement about the potential of ChatGPT in fields such as marketing and advertising. So, why is ChatGPT such a game-changing technology? Well, for one thing, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. By providing a more natural and conversational interface, it could make technology more accessible to a wider range of people. In addition, ChatGPT has the potential to automate a wide range of tasks, from customer service to content creation. This could free up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. Its ability to generate human-like text makes it a versatile tool with a wide range of applications, from customer service to content creation. As the technology continues to improve, we can expect to see ChatGPT being used in more and more industries. So, if you're interested in the future of natural language processing, keep an eye on ChatGPT. It's definitely a technology to watch. Thanks for watching.